Hello everyone. Today I'm going to walk you through an incredible transformation, the full restoration of an abandoned Audi R8 GT, a true super sports car that was once left to decay but brought back to life through skill, patience, and dedication. Let's begin. At the start of the video, we see the car in a completely neglected condition. The Audi R8 GT, once a symbol of performance and luxury, is now covered in dust, dirt, and visible damage. The paint is faded, parts of the body show signs of wear, and the overall appearance suggests that the car has been abandoned for a long time. It's hard to believe that this broken machine was once a high-performance supercar. Moving on, the restoration process begins with a complete disassembly of the vehicle. Every major component is carefully removed. The front and rear bumpers, headlights, doors, and even the interior parts, like seats and dashboard. This step is very important because it allows the restorers to inspect each part closely and identify all the hidden problems. As the car is taken apart, the extent of the damage becomes clearer. Some parts are rusty, others are broken, and many components are simply worn out. The engine, which is the heart of the car, requires serious attention. It is either repaired or rebuilt to bring it back into working condition. Next comes the repair phase. This is where the real transformation begins. Damaged metal parts are fixed, rust is removed, and worn-out components are replaced with new ones. The suspension system, brakes, and other mechanical parts are restored to ensure that the car is not only beautiful, but also safe and functional.
After the repairs are completed, the focus shifts to the exterior appearance. The car body is carefully sanded to remove old paint and imperfections, then a fresh coat of paint is applied. This step brings a dramatic change. The car starts to look brand new again. The finishing touches, including polishing and detailing, give the car a glossy, showroom-like shine. At the same time, the interior is also restored. The seats are cleaned or replaced, the dashboard is repaired, and all electronic systems are checked. The goal is to make the inside of the car just as impressive as the outside. Once all parts are repaired and restored, the reassembly process begins. Each component is carefully put back into place. The engine is reinstalled, the electrical connections are restored, and every detail is checked to ensure everything works perfectly. Finally, the moment of truth arrives. The car is started for the first time after restoration. The engine comes to life, proving that all the hard work has paid off. A test drive follows, showcasing the performance of the restored Audi R8 GT. What was once a lifeless, abandoned vehicle is now a powerful and stunning supercar once again. In conclusion, this restoration project is a perfect example of how dedication and expertise can bring even the most damaged machines back to life. It also reminds us of the importance of proper maintenance, especially for high-performance vehicles like the Audi R8 GT. Thank you for listening.